buyer, are you thinking when is the right time to buy real estate? Buying a home or investment property is a big decision and timing can make all the difference. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker from the SF Bay Area. And today I will help you to explore the key factors to consider when deciding if now is the time to buy. First, let us talk about market conditions. Timing the market can be very tricky. While waiting for the prices to drop or interest rates to fall may seem smart, it is essential to remember that real estate is a long-term investment. Home prices and interest rates fluctuate, but over time property values generally increase. So, if you are ready to buy, waiting may not always save you money in the long run. Also, it is very important to consider your financial situation. One of the best indicators of when to buy is your personal financial readiness. This includes having a stable income, a good credit score, and enough saving for a down payment and closing cost. If you feel financially prepared, you are already on the solid ground to consider a purchase. Next is the important thing about interest rates. While rates are not as low as they were in recent years, they are still manageable compared to historical averages. Additionally, you can refinance if rates drop in the future. Remember, the right time to buy is often when you can comfortably afford the monthly mortgage payments at current rates. Another factor is the available inventory in your desired area. If there is a good selection of homes that meet your needs, it might be a great time to buy. On the other hand, if inventory is low, you may need to be more patient and wait for new listings that match your criteria. And finally, are you buying for the right reasons? It is essential to consider why you want to buy. Are you looking for a place to call home, building equity, or expanding your investment portfolio? If the reasons align with your goals and lifestyle, it might be the perfect time to buy regardless of what the market is doing. The bottom line is, the right time to buy real market is when you feel financially and personally prepared with a clear understanding of what your goals and the market conditions. If you are thinking of buying, let us connect. My team and me are here to provide you personalized guidance and current market data to help you to make a confident decision. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor with the tradition of excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.